Oh yeah, this is my 1992 Honda Civic VX, and it's a peach. Although from this side it looks really good, you can see it's missing a bumper and the roof is kind of plain, but no worries, I'm here to fix that. This thing is insanely clean for the price that I paid for it. Interior's perfect, exterior's decent, and everything is amazing except for the quarter panel damage. But luckily I work at a body shop and I know how to fix it. In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys all the new stuff I got for it, all the stuff I said about in my last video, and fixing the quarter panel. So watch the whole thing to see this transformation. Aw, shoot, bro. I forgot it just rained and I'm parked in the grass. So let's see if I can get out. Hold on. I gotta give it a little bit of gas. There we go. Alright, first thing on the list is fixing this quarter panel. Okay, so it came out great. And there's still some little spots that I need to go over again, but for now this is good enough so I could go home. I've got my new bumper sitting right here. I have it clamped up and formed because when they sent it, it was bent. Yeah, I guess I'm just forming it. So this will get ready to be primed and painted. That'll get ready for paint when I get my new spoiler and front lip. Okay, so as you can see, the bodywork is now done mostly. I gotta go back over it in some little spots. Came out great for what it is. I mean, especially from what it was to now, it's a lot better. So 2 things on my list I've already got here. I've got the bumper and the new spoiler. You know, of course, because we gotta match the roof spoiler. with the 240. But luckily Amazon supplied me with a nice pre-made, pre-shaped, fitted with hardware spoiler, so it just goes right on and looks good. That one I had to actually custom make. Also, I went to the junkyard, and as you can see, this doesn't like to stay shut. So I bought a new hook or a striker that connects to the lower half of the gate, and all I gotta do is just weld it in, because this one broke. Check this out. That's what I need. I mean, from all the way over here, doesn't look that bad. So you could see where this was broken. That's where the latch mounts onto for the glass part. So I've got it clamped up and lined up right now, and I'm gonna just weld it back together. So luckily this is steel, so I can weld it. So it came out really good. I had to grind down this side because that's where the flat surface mounts, but I reinforced the corners over here and then just welded the rest. So I'm gonna throw some paint over this and then put it back in the car. So I got it all back together. I got it aligned as best I could. You could see it's a little bit to the left, but it's because the whole bracket's bent. But now it's shut, so it's not gonna be wiggling everywhere. Oh shoot, bruh. I was just chilling at work like one does, and I get this notification from eBay that my package is here. Oh shoot. I think that's what I think it is, if that's what I think it is, because I think that's what it is. What is this? It is my front lip. Oh, I folded it. Oh yeah. All right, so it actually fits great from when I held it up, but I can't hold it up with my camera. So once I finish up the body work back here, I'm gonna put this on and then we're gonna go get this thing painted. Oh my gosh, bro, it's finally back from paint. It's my first time seeing it after washing it. No way. Yo, this is sick. Psych! You guys gotta come next week to see the reveal. Peace out. Please hit subscribe. Stay with me.